Alright, let me show you how to make an all-organic mango sea moss smoothie. Sea moss is known to support digestion, natural energy, immunity, while mangoes are a great source of vitamin C and fiber for skin and gut health. Here's what you'll need. 2 fresh mangoes. I'm using Califia Farms organic almond milk and an organic plain Greek yogurt. I've been using the raw Caribbean sea moss from Ocean Botanicals. I just let it soak overnight. And this is what you get. Just throw it in your blender, mix it with some natural spring water, add about 2 to 3 cups, and then just blend it into a smooth gel. Now just toss in your fresh and frozen mangoes, 1 whole banana, a half cup of Greek yogurt, 2 cups of almond milk, and then let's come in with our freshly blended sea moss gel. Added about 3 tablespoons, because this will give you about 3 16-ounce servings. Should look something like this. Enjoy.